Chickens by Kate Riggs. Hello, chickens. Chickens live on farms. Some may live in backyards. A coop is a house for hens. Feathered chickens are birds. They may be brown, white, black, yellow, and other colors. A soft comb is on top of the head. Flaps of skin hang below the beak. Chickens scratch at food on the ground. They eat seeds and grains. Sometimes they eat bugs too. A hen lays eggs in a nest. Baby chicks come out of the eggs. They follow their mother. Chickens peck at food. They cluck and call to each other. Hens lays eggs. Picture of a chicken. The feathers, the tail, the leg, the foot, the eye, the comb, the beak, and the wattle. Goodbye, chickens. The end.